Let us solve for a in this given number base equation. 134 base a is equal to 54 base 8. The given equation is 134 base a is equal to 54 base 8. The first thing we need to do is to convert the whole of this equation into base 10. That is, the left hand side here, 134 base a. This is 1 multiplied by a plus 3 multiplied by a plus 4 multiplied by a. This is a raised to the power 0, a raised to the power 1, and a raised to the power of 2. Then we have 1 multiplied by a square plus 3 multiplied by a raised to the power 1 is a plus a raised to the power 0 is 1. That is 4 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 4 multiplied by 1, 4. Therefore, 134 base a in base 10 is equal to a square plus 3a plus 4. Let us consider the right hand side here. That is, we have right hand side 54 base 8. This can be written as 5 multiplied by 8 plus 4 multiplied by 8. We want to convert it to base 10. This is 8 raised to power 0 and 8 raised to power 1. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1, that is 8, plus 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0 is 1. Then we have 5 multiplied by 8, this is 40, plus 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. Then 40 plus 4, that is 44. Therefore, 54 base 8 is equal to 44 in base 10. Now, the equation become, we have 134a is equal to 54 base 8, and this is the same thing as a square plus 3a plus 4 is equal to 44. This is a square plus 3a plus 4 minus 44 is equal to 0. We have a square plus 3a minus 4 minus 44, that is 40, is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using factorization method. By factorization method, then the whole of this can be written as a square minus 5a plus 8a minus 40 is equal to 0. Now this with this and this to this in bracket, then here we can factor a out. We have a bracket a minus 5 plus here 8 bracket a minus 5 is equal to 0. Then here a minus 5 is common. We have a minus 5 bracket, here is a plus 8. We have a plus 8 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. This is the first value of a. Or a plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to minus 8. This is the second value of 8. But since no number base can take the negative value, so this is rejected. Because no number base can take the negative value. Therefore, the only real solution we have is a is equal to 5. This is the answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is real or not. To check, we have the given equation 134 base a is equal to 54 base 8, and this is the same thing as a square plus 3a plus 4 must be equal to 44. Now let's see, if a is equal to 5, then we have 5 square plus 3 bracket 5 plus 4 must be equal to 44. Then 5 square, this is 25, plus 3 times 5, 15, plus 4 must be equal to 44. 25 plus 15 plus 4. 25 plus 15, that is 40, plus 4, this is 44, is equal to 44, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.